Hi guys, today we're going to work on our second part of graphing practice. So yesterday we defined the types of the graphs and also labeled them. I went over them in the meet with you. Today we are going to practice graphing. So you're going to use the data below to create graphs. You should be sure to look at the definitions to pick the best graph to match the given data. Be sure to include a title, data labels, and to label the X and Y axis. So for this one, the data we're given is plant growth data, and we're giving days and heights. So we are graphing the change in the plants over time. For that, it's best to use a line graph. So I'm going to first, right here, so I know I'm using a line graph. Then I'm going to label my axes. And on the bottom, I'm going to put days. And along the side, I'm going to put height. And I need to put what my height is, so I'm measuring it in centimeters. Okay. Then I'm going to put dots for each thing. So day one, first we need to label our axis. So this is 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters, 3, 4. I'm going to move this guy over a little bit. We're up. I'm going to put 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, if you look, I'm going to run out of room. So maybe it's best if I did it by 5. So 5, let me delete this guy. And then I'm going to put the second one as 10. So each one, I'm going up. This is going to be 15. Or you could do it by 2s. Do we have enough? Think about, do we have enough to do it by 2s? We did 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yeah, we probably do. So let's do it by 2s. So this just really depends on what you are doing. So I'm going to delete these and then start over. So what our scale is going up the side depends on how much we need to get. So I'm going to do 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and I need to get past 17, so 14, 16, and 18. So I'm good, and that's my height in centimeters. Move this guy over. All right, so now I need to label my days. So I'm going to put day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 4, day 5, and I'm going to 6, 7, 8, 9, and then this one will be 10. All right. Now I can add my dots. So for day 1, our plant height was 0. So I'm going to put a dot right there. For day 2, we were also at 0. So I'm going to put a dot right there. Day 3, then we went to 1 centimeter. Well, I didn't label 1 centimeter, but since this line is 2, I need to put a dot kind of in the middle. Day 4, we had 3. So again, I'm kind of in the middle here. Day 5, I was at 5. So I need to put a dot in the middle here. Day 6, I was at 6. So those line up exactly. Day 7, I was also at 6, so we didn't get much growth between those 2 days. Day 8, I'm going to put a dot at 9. So I'm going to follow my 8 up to in between the 8 and the 10. Day 9, I'm at 13. So I'm going to follow that up and put one here. And day 10, I was at 17. So I'm going all the way up. Now you want to connect your dots. So my line's not going to be very good because I'm drawing on the computer. Try and do your best. So now I have my plant quote. So let's make sure we labeled everything. I labeled my data, height and days, and I labeled the numbers. The only thing I forgot here is I didn't include a title. So I'm going to go back and put this here and say plant growth. Okay. Now, you are going to now answer the questions on that graph. And then you are going to go below and practice with another graph. Please make sure you're paying special attention. Are you comparing here? Is it a bar graph? Are you using time like we did in the last one as a line graph? Or should we use a pie chart? You're going to then graph this one on your own. Be sure that you label your title, data, and your X and Y axis, and then draw on your graph. Next, you're going to answer the questions for the part of your graph, and then we'll go over in the meet. So please work today to continue the graphing practice and practice with the 2 following graphs, and I'll see you to go over it this afternoon.